Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, one of my favorite verses. Then God said, let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over all the livestock and all the wild animals, over all the creatures that move along the ground. So God created mankind in his own image. Everybody say amen. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them. You need to understand this point very much. You need to understand that God created the species called mankind. Alright, he didn't create man. Man means mankind. That's what you need to understand. Man never means male or female. Man means both of them combined together. Always God sees man as both, male and female. In mankind, he created two species or two models. It's called male and a female. A female is a male with a fetus. A male who can carry the fetus is called female. Are you understanding now? That's who a female is. So, I want you to first know this fact that man is a created species. Everybody say created species. So, they are created how? They are created with the nature of God. He gave man the image of God. Image means spirit nature or moral characteristics. Spirit nature or moral characteristics. So, man possesses God's nature. Are you understanding now? So, a male possesses God's nature as well as the female possesses God's nature. Say amen. Male possesses the natural ability of God as well as the female also. She possesses the natural ability of God. This is why he says, do not be afraid. If you're afraid, that means you're not normal. When you're abnormal, that means you cannot function according to the nature of functionality that you are designed for. When you are acting abnormally, that means when you are afraid of a lizard, when you're afraid of a cockroach, when you're afraid of darkness, when you're afraid of certain things, I'm telling you, God cannot use you properly. My dear brothers and sisters, in this room we have a lot of man. Man doesn't have a gender. Man means mankind. My dear brothers and sisters, remember, man actually means spirit. Everybody say spirit. Spirit. Human means spirit in dirt. Human means humus. Humans means dirt, earth. Man means spirit. So it's a combination of two. You are the combination of two already, and you possess the moral characteristics of God, the image of God that makes you the third person. So you're a tripod. My dear brothers and sisters, I can boldly tell you my wife is a spirit being, so she cannot be determined in a gender as long as I talk about the spirit being of you. So as long as I talk about the spirit being, there is no gender. Only when we take it physically on earth, you have genders, that is male and female. But as long as it's spirit, that's the reason why Jesus says, don't you know that in heaven there is no marriage? There is no giving in and taking out. God doesn't understand what marriage is. In our context, for him marriage is so beautiful. My dear brothers and sisters, God gave physical assignment to a spiritual being. Man was given a physical assignment by God, but man first is a spiritual being. He is a spirit. The earth is physical and man is spiritual. For example, on earth we run around after gold, but in heaven God paves his ways with gold. Spiritual beings cannot appreciate earthly things. Here you put a diamond on your finger, diamond on your ears, diamond around your neck. God puts diamonds on the floor. Are you understanding now? So a spirit being can never understand or appreciate. He can understand, but he can never appreciate the earthly things.